Have you ever experienced strange symptoms that you just brushed off? Well, you're not alone. Many men tend to ignore health issues, thinking they'll just go away on their own. But what if I told you that some symptoms could be a sign of something serious or even life-threatening? Today, we're going to discuss 14 men's health symptoms that you should never ignore. Chest pain or discomfort. First up, chest pain or discomfort. This is one of the most alarming symptoms you should never ignore. It could be a sign of a heart attack or other serious heart conditions. If you experience chest pain, especially if it's accompanied by shortness of breath, sweating, or nausea, seek medical help immediately. Shortness of breath. Next is shortness of breath. If you're having trouble breathing, it could indicate issues like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or even heart problems. Persistent or unexplained shortness of breath should always be evaluated by a healthcare professional. Unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying might sound like a dream come true, but it can be a red flag for serious conditions like cancer, diabetes, or thyroid issues. If you notice a significant drop in your weight without any changes in your diet or exercise routine, it's time to see a doctor. Changes in urination. Changes in urination, such as increased frequency, urgency, or difficulty starting and stopping, can be symptoms of prostate issues, including benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or prostate cancer. Don't ignore these changes and consult with your healthcare provider. Persistent cough. A persistent cough that lasts more than a few weeks can be a sign of chronic respiratory conditions, infections, or even lung cancer. If your cough doesn't go away, especially if it's accompanied by blood or severe pain, seek medical advice. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, ED, can be more than just an inconvenience. It can be an indicator of underlying health issues like cardiovascular disease or diabetes. If you're experiencing persistent ED, talk to your doctor about potential causes and treatments. Blood in stool or urine. Seeing blood in your stool or urine is always a cause for concern. It can be a sign of conditions like colorectal cancer, kidney stones, or urinary tract infections. Don't ignore these symptoms, get them checked out as soon as possible. Persistent fatigue. Feeling constantly tired, even after a full night's sleep, can be a symptom of various conditions such as sleep apnea, anemia, or depression. Persistent fatigue shouldn't be ignored and warrants a discussion with your healthcare provider. Changes in vision. Sudden changes in vision, like blurred vision, double vision, or loss of vision in one eye, can be signs of serious conditions like stroke, diabetes, or retinal issues. Immediate medical attention is crucial if you experience any sudden changes in your vision. Persistent headaches. Frequent or severe headaches can be a sign of migraines, tension headaches, or more serious conditions like brain tumors or aneurysms. If you're experiencing persistent headaches, especially if they're worsening or accompanied by other symptoms, seek medical advice. Unexplained lumps. Finding an unexplained lump on your body can be concerning. It could be a sign of various conditions, including cancer. Lumps in the testicles, neck, or underarms should be checked by a doctor to rule out any serious conditions. Changes in skin. Changes in your skin, such as new moles, changes in existing moles, or any skin discolorations, can be signs of skin cancer. Regularly check your skin and consult a dermatologist if you notice any unusual changes. Depression and anxiety. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or hopelessness can be signs of depression or anxiety disorders. Don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional if you're experiencing these symptoms. Difficulty swallowing. Difficulty swallowing, also known as dysphagia, can be a sign of conditions like esophageal cancer or neurological disorders. If you're having trouble swallowing, it's important to get it checked out by a healthcare provider. To wrap things up, it's essential to listen to your body and take any concerning symptoms seriously. Ignoring warning signs can have serious consequences, so don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider if you experience any of the symptoms mentioned. Your health matters, so make it a priority. I urge you to prioritize your health and well-being. If you notice any of the symptoms discussed today, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare provider for a proper evaluation. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health-related content. Take care of yourself, guys, and stay healthy.